Welcome to the Graffiti Jungle, another episode of Tangential Thoughts Chat Show. I'm your chief, H.E.R. So this is gonna be a real quick unboxing. I'm just excited because I'm about to probably cut and burn some of these when I go live. So I just wanted to make sure I do this edit and I'll just post that and it can premiere in the morning. So first thing I'm gonna unbox, I got a new lighter. It's still a little cheap lighter from the Dollar Tree. It's a crock lighter, but it says electronic ignition. So I just wanna see how well this works just to get lit up. And then I'm gonna show you the, good, that's a good flame, I'm gonna show you the stuff I just got. For $1.33, I like this lighter because the wind was blowing and it came up high flame and I was able to get this junk lit. I like that. Now this was the most expensive piece. It's a Nike jacket. It's an extra large LT for, you know, I guess long and tall, but I ain't even tried it on. Nike, finding a good Nike jacket that come through is just like, it's rare, especially in the men's section. So I was like, yo, I'm getting it right now off the rack. Didn't even try it on. It just got like a vintage feel for it. I've been looking for like a starter jacket, but it's a nice little windbreaker. So this was the most expensive thing I just picked up. And then the next two. So I was walking through and there was a Bulls jersey. It was a black jump. I put it back. This thing was gone before I clocked out for the day. So when I seen this one, I said I gotta get it. Still didn't try it on, but so one thing I noticed is that, like, even though I ain't get the black one, I'm probably gonna cut and burn this. And usually with the black clothes, the cuts and burns don't really show up too well. So I'm actually okay because I know the cuts and burns are gonna show up on this one. And it got a blank back, so I can put whatever I want on the back of it, customize it. And I'm definitely gonna cut this one up. Someone was just telling me to cut the sleeves off or burn the sleeves off, but I got this shirt. For cigar talk, this shit too far. For cigar talk, it's too far. It's too far. So that's what I just got. Got some chips. These are pretty good. Been craving this cherry. I don't know why. It ain't bubbly enough. It ain't busting.